Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by cutting power to anything connected. Turn the headset fully off, then unplug the base station from AC and remove the wireless transmitter or dongle. This clears transient links. Wait 30 seconds so capacitors discharge. Once done, plug the base station back in, but do not power the headset yet. This short power cycle often resolves radio and pairing problems. Make sure batteries are charged, and the base shows its normal LED pattern before moving forward to pairing steps. You now perform a deliberate repair. Power the headset and return it to the dock, then enter the base station pairing mode via its menu or by holding the pairing button for several seconds. While the base is searching, press the headset pairing or power button per the manual until LEDs flash. This soft reset re-establishes the wireless link without wiping settings, and it explains why we power cycled first. It prevents stale connections from blocking pairing. If successful, audio returns and LEDs stabilize. You only factory reset if repairing fails. From the base station settings, choose Restore Defaults and Confirm. This wipes user settings and forces fresh firmware handshakes. Next, connect the base via USB to a PC and update firmware using SteelSeries GG to ensure matched versions. Make sure to reboot both devices after updates. If problems persist, test the headset and base on another computer or console to isolate which component needs repair or replacement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.